Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. When put in the context of everything else, this is not terrible. The good news is that I am here to help. We were discussing how Binance was getting close to 100 trillion peppercorns 8 days ago. Keep in mind that despite the token's falling price, Binance's hot wallet was steadily adding tokens and was soon nearing 100 tokens, which was really cool. There is no comparable alternative transaction. Well, 8 days ago, none of us knew that the SEC was going to be hunting down all exchanges, starting with Binance and Coinbase, here in the United States, passing the listing, Robinhood, and all of that, giving a signal to us and the peppercorn holders that peppercorn listed on us, on Coinbase, on Robinhood, what's going to be a complete no period. The discussion is over. Wasn't that a wish? Now it appears to be non-existent. But this clip is called Trillions 95 trillion for some reason. A definition, please. I'm about to prove to you that, despite the enormity, persistence, and unrelenting nature of the attacks, you're still in the right. The Peppercorn Network is determined to see Pepe through. I mean, it's not like I can't see into the future and tell you that the value of this token is only going to decrease. Right. Otherwise, it will likely explode. But what I'm arguing is that there is evidence right now that demonstrates that it was more like 80-something, not 70 trillion, and that it was more like 12 in this case. The new figure is 20 trillion. And I have the numbers to back up my claims. I'm not making this up. Score, 80 plus 12 plus currently 70 plus 20. When all factors are considered. It's been 97 trillion years since we last spoke. After factoring in the preceding, the total value of peppercorn is somewhere between $94 and $95 trillion. This is despite the fact that its value fell by 30% during the crash that we experienced on Friday night and Saturday morning. Also, that's really bonkers. Let's have a conversation about it, or at least hit the like button. Consider subscribing, everyone. Hello and welcome. As adults, we may discuss the potential consequences of my actions with the rest of the Pepe community and come to an informed decision. We are all investors, and this just means that some people are taking their money and running. Period. We needn't assume that no one is interested in buying. As expected, many are making a monetary exit. What I mean to say is that on April 27th, everything began. By most measures, this is one of the craziest new perspectives you'll encounter today. Some examples include the Shiba Inu, Chronos, and Polygon Cosmos. I've also had it recorded on CoinMarketCap. I've been demonstrating it all week for you. In 2021, prices will drop to their lowest level in 3 years, since year 2007. The crashes are severe. All of this strengthens my conviction that peppercorn ought to have arrived long ago. There is no evidence to suggest that Pepe is actually present. However, the cost is not present. This is it. Even if Pepe's stock dropped 76% today, the game would be over in everyone's eyes. The discussion is over. Gone. Where can I find a Shiba Inu? The price has increased to 508 from 505, but it was at its lowest point before the October 2021 pump before it decreased. This sum is substantial. That's a lot of people getting their money out. However, Pepe coin stands out from the rest of the meme coins by having 95 trillion in circulation on Binance. There were obviously additional conversations. If you check out OKEx, you'll eventually end up to Max Global. It's 4.7. Okay, 5.2 it was. It was 22. The new age is 21. To put it simply, iOS 4 is iOS 4. You need a US freight. That means billions of tokens are no longer in circulation. Since they are liquidating, they no longer possess Pepe. Binance is plainly visible to you. The listing didn't have any bearing on other tokens, but the accompanying panic and buying frenzy certainly did. That's a bad thing, right? It's your call if you're a peppercorn observer, though. You've got this. It is widely available for purchase. However, I do want to draw attention to the fact that this token is currently retaining its value very well. According to the website, it is a worthless piece of garbage with no practical use whatsoever, yet people continue to hoard it by the trillion. That's incredibly cool, by the way. There's still a group of people out there, and they're still waiting. You can't give a meme coin a bigger compliment than for Peppercorn to be on the move with Bitcoin. Because if I launch DEX tools, you'll immediately understand what I'm referring to. There will soon be meme currencies that detonate like Pepe, but at the moment nobody is around to see it. As a result of thinking, I'm out of this garbage, they buy into the dream in which their entire community has vanished. HODL is of no interest to me. I have no interest in joining a group. But Pepe, it has not only been surviving in this way for some time, it has done it with barely 30% of its original population. Lucy claims that the Shiba Inu ecosystem will survive the current market turbulence thanks to the Shiba Inu bond, the Shiba swap, and the Doge killer. These crypto assets represent the people's struggle for economic independence. SHIB dropped 1.05% in the previous 24 hours and 21.99% in the last 7 days as the cryptocurrency market dropped during the weekend. But Lucy is confident that the Sherbarium release will be a turning point. Sherbarium was developed to fix inefficiencies in the Shiba Inu ecosystem and make it more scalable. To what end is Sherbarium broadcasting? Since Sherbarium has the potential to address Ethereum's high gas fees and scalability issues, it has received a lot of attention. The mission of Sherbarium is to improve the Shiba Inu ecosystem by addressing these issues. It is anticipated that the network will increase the value of the Shiba Inu ecosystem by luring investors and initiatives into it. More SHIBs will be burned thanks to Sherbarium, which can consume up to 70% of transaction payments as base fees. Meanwhile, rumors about when exactly Sherbarium will be released persist. A member of the Sherbarium development team, as previously reported by the Crypto Basic Sherbarium 1, said that the launch was expected to take place in August. He revealed that the release date is closer than you think because to recent successes in testing and other reasons. As for the pressing issue of when exactly the Sherbarium mainnet will go online, Lucy has addressed this as well, saying that this year it is expected to happen sometime in the second or third quarter. She reiterated, though, that she was not 100% sure. Shiba Inu crypto can improve health services everywhere. A prominent member of the SHIB team has stated that Shigetoshi Kusama criticizes the food industry. Sherbarium, the Shiba Inu ecosystem's anticipated content marketing expert, will soon be launching. Lucy tweeted, only half in jest, that cryptocurrency may improve people's health and help address one of humanity's biggest challenges. As you can see in the attached video of a Chinese person counting notes as quickly as a pro, loads of germs can be caught from handling physical money, and Lucy claims that this makes her unwell. Do yourself a favor and always wash your hands. Lucy offers some words of wisdom. She concludes that one of the benefits of utilizing cryptocurrencies is that people will be less likely to contract infections by coming into contact with currency. You're welcome for viewing. Please hit that like button and add my channel to your subscriptions. See you in the next video. Bye.